Okay, today in our class we will learn the formation of the gametes. So, as it is said that the formation of the gametes is called gametogenesis, and we are going to learn today the formation of the sperms. The formation of the sperms will be called as spermatogenesis. Okay, so it takes place in the seminiferous tubules, and in the seminiferous tubules, as I have discussed, it is made up of two types of cells: germ cell and the Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell help in the providing nourishment to the growing spermatids, but the germ cell will give rise to the formation of the spermid cell. So inside the seminiferous tubules, what happens? Let us see the spermatogenesis process. This is all about the spermatogenesis process. Here what happens? Some of the germ cell will act as spermatogonia. The singular is spermatogonium. They will undergo mitosis. Okay, as mitosis helps in the formation of increase the number of the cells. So here it is 46 number of chromosomes present in each spermatogonia. Here also each will present the 46 number of the chromosomes will be present as it is a mitosis. So here the number of chromosomes will not change. So each spermatogonia will form primary spermatocytes, but here the reverse arrow is given that indicates that each primary spermatocyte will again, some of the primary spermatocyte will again form as the spermatogonia, will act as spermatogonia, but some of the primary spermatocyte will undergo further division to form sperm. Okay, got it? Some of the primary spermatocyte will act as again spermatogonia and form more number of primary spermatocytes. But some of the primary spermatocytes will undergo meiosis to form the sperm. Okay, what happens in primary spermatocytes? It undergo meiosis 1. What happens here? It contains 46 number of chromosomes, but the secondary spermatocytes which are formed by after meiosis, each one will carry 23 number of the chromosomes. Okay, and secondary spermatocyte after undergoing meiosis 2 will form spermatids. Each secondary spermatocyte will give rise to 2 spermatids. And eventually what happens? That means primary spermatocyte will form 4 spermatids. Primary spermatocyte will form 4 spermatids. Okay, but here the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, by undergoing meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Here you see that primary spermatocyte is having 46 number of the chromosomes and secondary spermatocyte is having 23, just half the number of the chromosomes. This is the magic of meiosis 1, that it can reduce half the number of the chromosomes. But in meiosis 2 what happens? Each secondary spermatocyte will give rise to 23 the spermatids which contain 23 number of the chromosomes. There is no reduction division because meiosis 2 it does not reduce the number of the chromosomes. It is already mentioned in the NCERT book that why after meiosis, why the primary spermatocyte is undergoing meiosis 1, it is having it forms secondary spermatocyte, but it has 23 number of the chromosomes, but spermatids number is not reduced, because I will explain you this. In meiosis, the first phase, meiosis 1, what happens? This prophase, the homologous chromosomes, whatever may be the number of the chromosomes, if there are 46 number of the chromosomes are there, then there are certain homologous chromosomes are there, जो एक जैसे हैं, स्ट्रक्चर में एक जैसे हैं, ठीक है? तो वो homologous chromosomes क्या है? अब बगल बगल पेयर बना लेते हैं. This pair is called bivalent or the tetrad. This is called. तो bivalent जब बना लेते हैं, sister chromatids, जब ये bivalent बना लेते हैं, they form during prophase they form a synaptonymal complex. They do synapses. तो उनमें क्या होता है? Maybe they are homologous chromosomes, but they may carry different types of genes with them. So वहाँ पर exchange of characters, exchange of genes take place at that time. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? उसके बाद meiosis 1 and एनाफेज 1 में क्या होता है, एज दे मूव टू द, they are separated poles, they are separated in the poles, so they go respectively, they go to different poles. ये डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम हो गया, ये डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम्स हो गए, वो अपने अपने पोल्स पर वो चले गए, हाफ, जस्ट इधर हाफ चला गया, जितना भी नंबर ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम्स होता है, इफ इट इज 46 देन 23 ऊपर चला गया, 23 नीचे चला गया, तो सेम सेट गोज 23 एंड सेम सेट गोज here 23, so half the number of the chromosomes will move to the opposite poles, and that telophase, each cell, each daughter cell will have the haploid number of the cells, haploid number of chromosomes in the cells. But what happens in the meiosis 2? देखो ये अब daughter cell, if we are taking the daughter cell with us, तो each chromosome will have is having chromatids with them. ओके, वहाँ पर क्रोमैटिड्स जो है, यहाँ पर सिनेप्टोनोमियल कॉम्प्लेक्स जो हो रहा है नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स पे हो रहा है. दीज आर द सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स, जो उनके अपने पास है, दे आर सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स. जो दूसरे क्रोमोसोम में है, दे आर नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स. तो सिनेप्सिस टेक्स प्लेस इन द नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स, याद रखना है. फिर यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, वो जो सेट, दैट सेट इज कमिंग हियर, इट अंडरगोज meiosis 2. हियर व्हाट हैपेंस, यहाँ पर जो ये जो सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स है, ये पुल हो जाते हैं ऐसे, ये यहाँ से यहाँ टूट के ये दूर दूर हो जाते हैं इन एनाफेज, इन मेटाफेज एंड द एनाफेज. दिस सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड इज ब्रोकन एंड यहाँ से वो दूर हो जाते हैं. जो सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड इस तरह से लगे हुए हैं, दे आर सेपरेटेड एंड मूव. तो यहाँ पर ये एक है, ओके, एंड देन व्हेन दे गो दे आर आल्सो 1 1. सो हियर द नंबर इज नॉट रिड्यूस्ड, हियर द नंबर इज रिड्यूस्ड. यहाँ 1 2 3 4 है, बट यहाँ पर 1 2 है, यहाँ 1 2 है. So each will carry in this is, if this is the mother cell, if this is the mother cell or the primary spermatocyte, if it is primary spermatocyte, ये mother cell है, तो in the daughter, in the secondary spermatocyte, here 1 2 3 4 number of chromosomes are there, but here it will be 1 2 number of chromosomes. So it is the just the half, it is reduced. Okay, and what happens in the next, यहाँ half the number of chromosomes होता है, but here the double. Each cell will form, यहाँ पर जैसे है, each cell will form, the secondary spermatocyte will form, each will form 2 spermatid. यहाँ पर एक, ये हम एक ही का एग्जाम्पल बताएं, here it is one example only. Okay, other cell का यहाँ पर क्योंकि जगह नहीं है, the place is not there, so I have not explained for the other cell. Only one cell, this is undergoing metaphase 2. Okay, the place is also not there, so I could not. But I can tell you that it is undergoing metaphase 2. Meiosis. It is undergoing meiosis 2. तो यहाँ पर each cell will form 2 cells. Okay. So primary spermatocyte ultimately give rise to 4 spermatids with half the number of the chromosomes, and then it will undergo spermiogenesis. It will form sperms. The difference between spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is the formation of the sperm, but spermatogenesis is the formation of the whole process is called spermatogenesis. Then sperms head get embedded in the Sertoli cells. Now what do you mean by spermiation? It is sperms released from the seminiferous tubules. When the sperms are released from the seminiferous tubules, it is called as spermiation. Okay, this is all about the spermatogenesis, and I hope you have understood it very well. And the main thing, whatever is the main question what may arise, the number of the chromosomes it is having. What is the number of the chromosome? It may come in NEET or any other competitive exam, that what is the number of the chromosome in primary spermatocyte? What is the number of chromosome in secondary spermatocyte? What is the number of the chromosome in spermatids and why? तो यहाँ पर meiosis 1 और meiosis 2 ये दो चीज का है. तुमको meiosis बोलने से तो हाफ लगेगा, मगर यहाँ meiosis 1 और meiosis 2 डिफ्रेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा, ताकि पहले वाले में रिड्यूस हो गया, दूसरे वाले में रिड्यूस नहीं होता है, बिकॉज क्रोमोसोम नहीं सेपरेट, क्रोमोसोम यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ क्रोमेटिड बदल जा रहा है. तो एक सेल को एक क्रोमेटिड मिल रहा है. द सेट हाफ द नंबर ऑफ द सेट मिलता ही है, सो इसलिए द चेंज इज ऑकर्ड. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू.